Hello guys, in this video, I will show how to fix ChatGPT failed to get upload status for /Mntdata. This error can happen for a few reasons. One common cause is a temporary server issue, where the system fails to finalize the file upload and the link becomes unusable. Another reason could be a network problem. If your internet connection was unstable when the file was created, the upload might not have completed properly. It may also be due to an expired or broken link, since download links can sometimes stop working because of session timeouts. To fix this issue, start by refreshing the page. A simple reload often restores broken download links. If that doesn't work, try switching to a different browser, as some browser-related glitches can interfere with downloads. Make sure your internet connection is strong and stable, since weak connectivity often leads to failures. Finally, if nothing works, just ask ChatGPT to generate the file again. When a link is broken, requesting a new file usually solves the problem right away. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more helpful tech tips. Thanks for watching.